to Level 2 of our GESI Contextual Analysis video tutorial series. In this session, we'll guide you into how you can make a detailed gender equality and social inclusion analysis by using the GESI Contextual Analysis tool by Equilo. This tool helps you to get high-quality gender, equity, and social inclusion information curated by gender specialists. You can easily identify main gaps, risks, and opportunities, filtering by country, sector, and going deeper into specific GESI content based on themes and domains. Whether you're a GESI specialist writing a grant or an advocacy plan for climate change in the Global South, or you're part of an international development organization promoting women's education on digital inclusion in Latin America. Or maybe you're a researcher conducting an in-depth analysis on gender-based violence. Either way, this tutorial is tailored for you. Enthusiasts in gender equality and social inclusion are more than welcome to join as well. Common use cases for Level 2 include in-depth analysis including sector specifics, advocacy plans, proposals, and grant writing. Let's see how it works. Step 0 is crucial. Define your goal. Are you planning to write a grant or crafting a report or something else? Select your geography, sector or non-sector, and the main themes you want to address. Let's say, for example, you're a seasoned gender specialist working in a leading consulting firm. One of your action lines is identifying risks and promoting gender equality in the agricultural sector in Nigeria. In the midst of drafting a proposal, your goal is to conduct a detailed analysis that addresses the unique gender challenges and opportunities within the agricultural sector in Nigeria. GESI Contextual Analysis tool becomes your indispensable tool, allowing you to embark on a deep dive into specific content. Let's start. If you saw video tutorial 1, you're familiar with this menu. Here, we type Nigeria in the search bar, and then we go into sectors. We can type agriculture in the search bar, and here we have this option to select general agriculture, or if you're working on a specific subsector, such as cacao or maize, go ahead and explore those too. Also, I would like to encourage you to explore in the menu options other related sectors and subsectors that can offer additional information that completes your search. We could explore, for example, complementary information on my growth sector. But well, for now, let's select general agriculture and move forward. Let's rapidly understand the main practical differences between domains and themes. This understanding will help you guide your navigation and search journey in our tool. Also, you can click on the link we put below in the video description to check the TAAP methodology in more detail. So what is theme and domain in a nutshell, and when do we use one or the other? In a very practical way, themes focus on specific narrowed-down topics like workforce, poverty, or gender-based violence, while domains provide a broader perspective on comprehensive gender equality analysis, encompassing dimensions like human dignity or access to resources. For themes, we recommend that you choose themes when you have a specific area of interest, such as exploring equity and inclusion dynamics on education or unpaid care work. For domains, we believe that you should opt for domains when seeking a holistic understanding of gender equality, especially if you aim for a comprehensive and analytical exploration of factors like roles and responsibilities or law and policies. For navigation, we recommend that you think of themes as thematic deep dives into specific areas of interest, and domains as a comprehensive lens offering a broad perspective on all aspects influencing gender equality. For user proficiency consideration, we believe that if you're not a gender specialist, start with themes for an easier exploration and gradually transition to domains as you become more comfortable with the analytical framework. Having clarified these differences, let's begin our search path by themes and see how you can develop the second and third outcomes: priority identification based on ranked themes, and getting a clear overview of insights from more than 15 themes. In our example, you're drafting a proposal where you conduct a detailed analysis that addresses the unique gender challenges and opportunities within the agricultural sector in Nigeria. Let's use this drop-down menu with more than 15 themes and select the workforce option. We can see in the theme description already interesting information to include in our proposal. You can click Explore the entire theme to get in-depth information and indicators. We'll see the theme page in detail in our next tutorial. Also notice that these themes are ranked by the lowest to highest gender equality scores. This helps you to easily identify the most pressing issues, risks, and opportunities. For instance, you could include in this proposal a clear overview thematic insight already, the need to strengthen an enabling environment for the caregiving roles, and explore more about parental leaves within the agricultural sector in Nigeria, and even back it up with the data and information sources we provide in here. As we mentioned earlier, for domains, we can check overarching topics that offer additional information to make our research and gender analysis more robust. Following our example on drafting a proposal where you conduct a detailed analysis that addresses the unique gender challenges and opportunities within the agricultural sector in Nigeria, by reading the domain's overview, we identify that access to resources and roles and responsibilities dimensions on gender equality are going to add a highly relevant analytical framework to our search. We'll see the domains page and indicators in detail in our next tutorial. Now you're ready to try it yourself. You know how to deep dive into specific GESI content. Accomplish your gender equality goals by accessing high-quality information that has already been centralized, synthesized, and curated by GESI experts. Watch the next video to learn how to go deeper into GESI indicators, charts, and data in our Level 3 tutorial. In case you don't have an Equilo subscription yet, we put a link in the description below for you to request more information or click the upgrade button. Thanks for watching!